a cicada that just happened to be unlucky enough to land in this spider's web. Sorry, my hands are shaky. Part of being disabled. Give me a second, I'm going to try and climb up a little bit higher. Get a better view of it. Oh! There we go. Not sure what kind of spider that is, but he is going to have one heck of a meal. Unfortunately, that poor cicada's wing is so destroyed now, setting him free would do him no good. And it would rob that spider of a meal. So it looks like he's trying to re-web him without getting too close and getting hurt. That's the circle of life. I'll get more video later when the spider starts moving again.